Good afternoon. How's everybody in YouTube doing? I'm hoping you're doing great. Today we come out to another day at the farm, except we ain't gonna be looking at too many plants today. We got a cold front. They came in last night around 2:32 in the morning, and everything was fine except that later on it brought thunderstorms, electrical thunderstorms. There was a lot of lightning, and then the heavy rains came by during the daytime. Now during the daytime I was pretty much asleep. Since I worked the night shift, I was asleep most of the day. But I wasn't able to see any rain come by. But I did come by the ranch, and there's puddles all over the place. All over the place. So, as far as we're concerned, we're just gonna go and check the fences. The cattle is fine. I checked it earlier. The fields are wet and muddy, and although I have a truck that's pretty much getting ready to get dirty. Yeah, turned out to be white, but I do have a coat, but for some reason or another, I feel warmer being covered up by this blanket. I'm not gonna say that this blanket will protect me from extreme cold, but we are in the cool side of the evening. About, I'm gonna say between 59 to 62 degrees right now, which is not really considered cold, but it's enough for me to put on this light blanket on me. I don't mind putting on a coat, but for some reason or another, the blanket feels a lot more comfortable, a lot more warmer, although I do look kind of weird around it, but I'm fine. I'm doing fine. Today I decided that I would use the GoPro Max today. I got nothing against the camera. It's a good camera. Takes good pictures, good video. It's not good for waterproof. It is waterproof, but it's not meant, for some reason or another, it just wasn't meant to be made to take video or pictures underwater. Not even in the Hero or in the 360 mode. So, but over land, heck, I don't see any problem with this. This is fine. But overall, it's a pretty good camera. I'm not gonna say that it's the best one, but it is good. It is considered a good camera. What do we do during the cold weather? what would we normally do? What would we normally do during cold weather? Do we just hey, let me bring this camera down just one little tap down. There's no need to have it so high. There we go. I have a feeling it's gonna be a boring night. Probably just turn on the tablet, watch some movies, stay in the area. Stay in the area where I'd be more visible. For now, I'm gonna see if I can try to sneak out of the ranch and head on over to the local Dollar General. The closest one is in Lago Vista. Although I'm in Lago Vista now, but this is more of a ranch place. Because I gotta drive a couple of miles to get to a small community town called Lago Vista. It's pretty close to Lakeview or Lakeway, Texas. I saw a Dollar General there. And pick up some peanuts. Pick up a couple of bags of peanuts. I have water, but maybe just pick up some ice. Even though it's a cold night, I really don't need the ice, but it's kind of nice to have some ice to crunch on. I want to try to avoid drinking the carbonated drinks, Coca-Cola, Sprite, all the other products, but you just maybe pick up a gallon of unsweet tea. That would go perfect with that ice. And then just pretty much park in an area where I'm pretty much visible in case somebody wants to come by and be curious of how this place looks like during the night. They'll be able to see my pickup truck. I'm sorry that I'm yawning so much, but normally I'm supposed to sleep 8-9 hours per day. Today I woke up early so I can take my mother out to eat. We hardly ever go out, so I want to take her out to eat. I took her to a seafood restaurant. She liked it. I had a big plate. I ordered a big plate of redfish. Big plate. Man, that fish tastes real good. It's a bit expensive, but that's fine. Anything for my mom. I'm gonna call it close. I'm gonna close up this video. There's as I said, because the rains came, I really don't want to be out there in them muddy roads. You know, I got a white truck, got a brand new white truck. You know, I got to keep it clean all the time. You know, that's one of the instructions of me having a take-home unit is that I got to keep it clean. You know, and it's one of those things that, you know, that although you're at the ranch, you still got to keep it clean. If I don't keep that truck clean, it'll get taken away from me and give it to somebody else. And it's like, no, I gotta keep this vehicle and keep it clean all the time. Y'all have a safe Saturday. As always, maintain that social distancing, 6 feet away from each other. In my opinion, I think it's a bunch of BS, but I am gonna say, don't take any chances. Don't listen to my opinions too much. Stay away from each other. Stay alive. Stay well. Tomorrow is Sunday. Remember to go to the Christian church of your choice. Think of it as another part of the learning system of life. You want to have your kids that are still growing up, that are still little, that you have control over them. You want them to respect you and love you. When they grow up, take them to church. Take your kids to church. Teach them wisdom. Teach them the responsibilities of life. Teach them to respect their elders, to respect you. With this, I close this chapter for today, and I wish all of you safe travels, and God bless.